Many common houseplants can be grown in both soil and hydroponic or semi-hydroponic settings without difficulty. There are many benefits from growing plants in hydro or semi-hydro, so I wanted to share some helpful information about these alternative growing methods. Growing plants in a reservoir of water is called hydroponic cultivation, whereas a reservoir containing inorganic components like leca is called semi-hydro. The first thing you'll want to do before transitioning any plant to one of these methods is to ensure it's suitable for growing in this way. While many plants can be converted, some won't tolerate it very well, so we recommend starting out with plants that are known to thrive in these conditions. Some examples of these would be Alocasia, peace lily, and Syngoniums. Bird of paradise plants also do well if you're looking for something larger. To prepare your plants for the transition, you'll first need to clean all the soil away from the roots. If the roots are tangled, let it soak in some water to loosen them up. Using a transparent container for your setup can make it easier to see the condition of the roots, as well as the water level in your reservoir. However, do be sure this doesn't get exposed to direct sunlight. We'll show you a few different setups in this video so you can decide what will work best for you. If you're enjoying these tips, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and join us over on the Planta app. This Alocasia will be going into semi-hydro with leca. This substrate is often quite dirty out of the bag, so be sure to rinse it thoroughly before use. Fill the bottom of your container and then hold your plant steady while you fill around it to keep it stable in the vessel. Fill about 1/3 of the way with water and you're good to go. We decided to place this Syngonium Wendlandia in pumice. The texture of this is quite similar to pon, which is another popular semi-hydro substrate. Rinse well, then add your plant and fill around it. As you can see, you don't need a special pot to grow plants with this method. A saucer or tray will keep the water level just right for a typical pot. Strelitzias and peace lilies are great candidates for hydroponic growing. Their extensive root systems definitely add to the look. Just rinse the roots well and pop them in some water. The hardest part is choosing your container. You will of course need to consider how your plants will get nutrients. Houseplant fertilizers sold for plants in soil are generally not suitable, so make sure to find one that suits your needs. It's always good practice to keep your reservoirs clean, so every so often flush your semi-hydro pots with plain water to remove any residues, and wash trays or vessels clean of algae and other buildup. We recommend doing this before adding in your fertilizer or nutrient solution. Tag us on Instagram and let us know if you have any questions in the comments here. Thanks for watching, and from all of us at Planta, happy planting!